This is the third video and this is all about traveling. Do you love to travel? Word 1. Explore. Meaning traveling to unknown places to learn. Example number 1. I want to explore the world. Example number 2. I made a separate journal of places I want to explore. Word 2. Adventure. Meaning exciting experience. Example 1. I am made for adventures. Example number 2. Our life is incomplete without adventure. Word 3. Destination. Meaning place where someone is going. Example 1. My sister has planned destination wedding for herself. Example number 2. When are we going to reach our destination? Word 4. Traverse. Meaning pass through a place. Example 1. I traversed my favorite destination. Example 2. Can we traverse the beach again? Word 5. Serendipity. Meaning something good happening when we weren't searching for it. It was a pure serendipity when I met you. Example 2. There was a serendipity involved in something. Word 6. Drift. Meaning carried away aimlessly. Example 1. I can't let this matter drift out so easily. Example number 2. I love going for drifts with my friends and cousins. Word 7. Vagabond. Meaning wander from one place to another without home. Example 1. As she is a vagabond, she doesn't own her own house. Example 2. He cannot sit at one place as he is a vagabond. Word 8. Wayfarer. Meaning travels on foot. Example 1. Saints are wayfarer. Example 2. Who are wayfarer and where can I find them? Word 9. Voyage. Meaning long journey that involves sea or land. Example 1. I made a voyage to Switzerland. Example 2. A Portuguese made a voyage to India. Word 10. Wander. Meaning walk aimlessly for pleasure. Example 1. I love to wander across cities. Example number 2. The person whom we saw in the mall was wandering. Word 11. Wanderlust. Meaning love for traveling. Example 1. Kabir is wanderlust. Example 2. I made a poem on wanderlust people. Word 12. Expedition. Meaning journey with the purpose of finding something. Example 1. Researchers have sent the team for expedition. Example 2. Rocky hates traveling for expedition. Word 13. Commute. Meaning regular travel from one place to another. Example 1. I commute for my college. Example number 2. Mia hates commuting for college each day. Word 14. Jaunt. Meaning short journey for pleasure. Example 1. I went on a jaunt. Example 2. She loves jaunting. Word 15. Navigate. Meaning finding out way. Example 1. I use Google Maps to navigate through places. Example 2. They navigated by the galaxy. Word 16. Outrun. Meaning travel faster. Example 1. I outrun the guy every time. Example 2. I am always the first as I outrun every time. Word 17. Cosmopolitan. Meaning who travels a lot and is aware of all the cultures and places. Example 1. My family friend is a cosmopolitan. Example 2. Jessica is a cosmopolitan and has traveled more than half of the world. Word 18. Errand. Meaning small travel in order to collect or deliver something. Example 1. I went on errands. Example 2. Her mom sends her regularly on errands. Word 19. Out of season. Time of the year when people don't travel much. Example 1. I love traveling out of season as it is cheaper. Example 2. Is it possible for me to join you guys when you travel out of season? Word 20. Gig. Meaning? Performance by someone while traveling. Example 1. It was a gig. Example 2. I saw gig for the very first time in the bus. Hello everybody, my name is Bhavi and I use games, activities and exercises to make English learning fun and easy. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.